Human evolution covers a wide spectrum, beginning with foundational principles of evolutionary theory. Evolution occurs through mechanisms like natural selection, genetic drift, and mutations. Life first appeared around 3.5 billion years ago as prokaryotes, leading to the evolution of eukaryotic cells, multicellular organisms, and cell specialization. Vertebrates originated as fish, with tetrapods transitioning to land, eventually giving rise to amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Mammals, starting around 200 million years ago as small, nocturnal creatures, eventually led to the emergence of primates. Primates diversified from early arboreal species to modern humans. The divergence of human and chimpanzee lineages, approximately 6-7 million years ago, gave rise to hominid species such as Australopithecus. Fossils and transitional fossils. Fossils preserve remains or traces of ancient organisms are crucial for understanding human evolution. Here are key transitional fossils and ancestors. Sahelanthropus tchadensis lived about 7 million years ago in Africa, one of the earliest known hominids. Sahelanthropus exhibits early signs of bipedalism, an adaptation for efficient ground movement as forested areas decline due to climate changes. Orrorin tugenensis lived 6 million years ago, showing bipedalism. Analysis of femur bones suggests Orrorin had a bipedal walking style, advantageous in a changing environment with both arboreal and terrestrial challenges. Ardipithecus ramidus lived 4.4 million years ago, adapted for both tree climbing and bipedal walking. Ardipithecus possessed long arms for climbing and a pelvis suited for upright walking, indicating adaptations to mixed forest and savanna environments. Australopithecus species, Australopithecus afarensis, lived 2.9 million years ago, with the famous Lucy skeleton belonging to this species. Lucy's hip and leg bones show complete adaptation to bipedalism, crucial for survival in both forest and open savanna environments. Australopithecus africanus lived 2 million years ago, with more developed brain structures and the use of more complex tools for obtaining food, reflecting adaptations to a diverse diet and changing environments. Homo species. Homo habilis lived 1.4 million years ago, known for toolmaking. Homo habilis used stone tools for food processing, contributing to brain expansion. Climate changes and food variability accelerated tool use in evolution. Homo erectus appeared 1.9 million years ago, spread across Africa, Asia, and Europe. Known for controlling fire and making complex tools, Homo erectus could travel long distances due to their long legs and upright posture, adapting to diverse environments. Homo heidelbergensis lived 200,000 years ago, considered an ancestor of both Neanderthals and modern humans. With a large brain and complex tool culture, Homo heidelbergensis adapted to changing climates and new environmental pressures. Homo neanderthalensis lived 40,000 years ago in Europe and Asia, closely related to Homo sapiens with evidence of interbreeding. Neanderthals were adapted to cold climates with robust bodies and advanced stone tool technologies. Homo floresiensis lived 50,000 years ago in Indonesia, known for their small stature, about 1 meter tall, and complex tool use, despite having a small brain. Island life led to unique adaptations in this species. Emergence of Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens appeared about 300,000 years ago in Africa, globally spreading around 70,000 years ago. Interactions with other Homo species, such as Neanderthals and Denisovans, increased genetic diversity. Genetic studies reveal the migration of modern humans from Africa and interactions with local populations, driven by environmental changes and cultural adaptations. Cultural evolution and technological advances. Early tool making. Homo habilis was the first to create stone tools, essential for processing food and hunting. Tool-making played a crucial role in the evolution of intelligence and manual dexterity. Control of fire. Homo erectus learned to control fire, leading to advances in cooking and warmth. Fire provided safety and increased social interactions. Agricultural revolution. Approximately 10,000 years ago, the advent of agriculture enabled settled life and the development of early agricultural societies in regions like Mesopotamia, Egypt, the Indus Valley, and China. Agriculture accelerated the evolution of social structures and economic systems. Evolution of language and communication. Language evolved to support social structures and cooperation. Homo sapiens were the first species to develop complex language, accelerating the transfer of information and cultural evolution. Evolution of art and religious beliefs. Early artworks, cave paintings and figurines demonstrate Homo sapiens' capacity for symbolic thought. Art played a role in strengthening social bonds and constructing identities. Beginnings of religious rituals. Burials and ritual objects indicate the evolution of religious beliefs and rituals, fostering social cohesion and maintaining community structures. Genetic diversity and migrations. Map of genetic diversity. Modern genetic studies map the genetic diversity of human populations and historical migrations. Genetic traces reveal how humans spread globally and interacted with different populations. Historical human migrations. Humans migrated worldwide at various times, increasing genetic diversity. For example, Homo sapiens migration out of Africa led to the mixing of different gene pools. Evolution of modern human populations. Diversification of modern humans. Homo sapiens adapted to various environmental conditions, developing diverse physical traits such as skin color, body structure, and other physiological features. Genetic and cultural adaptations. Adaptations to diet, climate, and diseases occur genetically and culturally. For instance, genetic adaptations like lactose tolerance are directly linked to dietary habits. Diseases in human evolution. Evolution of infectious diseases, settled life, and increased population density influence the evolution of infectious diseases. The emergence of agricultural societies accelerated the spread and evolution of diseases. Impact of genetic diseases. Some genetic diseases provided carriers with advantages, preserving them in populations. For example, sickle cell anemia offers protection against malaria. Evolution of sex and reproductive strategies. Sexual selection. Sexual selection drives the evolution of traits through mate choice, influencing physical attractiveness and social skills. Reproductive strategies. Human reproductive strategies are shaped by social structures and environmental conditions. Monogamy, polygamy, and other strategies are closely linked to the evolution of social structures. Evolution of the brain and intelligence growth of the brain. Human brain growth enhanced complex thinking and problem-solving abilities. Increased brain volume supported the development of language, art, and technology. Evolution of intelligence. Social life, language, and technology played significant roles in the evolution of human intelligence. Changes in brain structure enhanced adaptability and social skills. Future human evolution. Future human evolution scenarios are linked to technological developments and environmental changes. Climate change, population growth, and biotechnological innovations will significantly influence human evolution. Genetic engineering and evolution. Genetic engineering has the potential to consciously guide human evolution. It could play a significant role in disease treatment, enhancing human capabilities, and future adaptations. This comprehensive overview enables us to grasp the evolutionary journey of humans and anticipate future possibilities. Each stage of human evolution is supported by fossil records and genetic studies, continually reassessed through modern scientific methods. Fossils and genetic findings provide detailed insights into human ancestors' evolution and the emergence of modern humans. Human evolution is a complex process shaped by both biological and cultural factors. Environmental changes, climate conditions, and resource competition were decisive in species' evolutionary transitions and adaptations. Transitional species evolved in response to these changes, leading to the emergence of new species.